So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made some vinyl labels for my craft room. This is just a simple DIY if you want to make some labels for your pantry or whatever. This is a good, easy way, and it's a great project for beginners. So if you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do Cricut, sublimation, and sewing videos. So if any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's just jump into this video. So we're just going to start off by writing down all the different things that we need labels for. I'm just going to write down my whole list of craft supplies or the categories that I want. And then I'm going to go into Cricut Design Space, create a new canvas, and type out all of those things that I just wrote out. I'm going to figure out what font or typeface I want it in, and then I'm just going to type them all out. And then I'm going to attach whichever lines go together just so that they can be cut out together. And then I'm going to press Make It. And I'm just going to arrange them a little bit, move them around so that they're not too close together and they cut nicer and I have less of a risk of it like cutting incorrectly or messing it up. And then once I have that all done, I'm just going to press continue. And then I'm just going to cut it on everyday vinyl. And I'm just using my fine point blade to cut this. And then I'm just going to put my vinyl on my mat. I'm using a strong grip mat because my other mats need to be clean and they just not that sticky. I'm using a brayer tool to flatten it out and make sure it sticks nicely to my mat. And then I'm just putting it in my Cricut to cut. Okay, so we're gonna start weeding our design. I have 2 sheets. I have this thing from Dollar Tree that I like to use when I'm weeding vinyl. I just throw it in there. I'm be using 2 types of weeding tools. This one I made on my own and I prefer this one. It's just a pencil with a needle at the tip. Love it. And then a regular weeding tool, just very regular. So I'm just gonna start off by taking my weeding tool, poking a corner and just pulling. And then you can just slowly pull. You might want to have some scissors nearby because it might, since we're doing so many, it might be helpful to cut as you go. So I'm going to take my weeding tool. If some gets stuck, I'm just going to press down as I pull so that those can stay. Make sure you're paying attention to any dots like on the eyes because those tend to come off really easily. That's why I didn't want to use like script or something like that because those are thinner and you'll be more likely to lose things in the process. So it could be helpful that as you go, just take some scissors and just cut. Since vinyl sticks to itself, it's just helpful so that you don't have any vinyl sticking to your other letters and making it difficult. So then you can just keep pulling. Just make sure you're not losing any letters in the process. Now that we have the big part taken out, we're gonna take this where I really like my homemade weeding tool. We're gonna take out the inner parts of like the O's and the E's and stuff like that. And then you can just take it and dump it into your little bin. Or you can collect it on your finger. Okay, once you have weeded them all out, again, make sure that you don't have anything in your letters and everything looks good. We're gonna take some transfer tape. I'm not gonna be using regular transfer tape. I'm gonna be using this Duck clear shelf liner. You can also use the clear shelf liner from Dollar Tree. And or you can use like masking tape, whatever you're most comfortable with. I'm just gonna cut a piece that it's roughly around the size of my packing here. And I'm just gonna take one corner and just pull it. This is not something you want to do all at once. So I'm just gonna pull one side and then pull that paper wrapping to the back and just line it up. And then you can take your scraper tool. This one's from Tech Wrap. And you can just slowly start pushing it and removing the backing as you go. And you can cut off this excess here. Okay, so now you can cut them down to be the individual parts that you need, individual labels that you need. So now they're ready to go onto our mittens. So this is what my bins currently look like. I just have these paper labels on them, which are not cute. So these are gonna be much cuter. Super simple. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off one of these. And we're gonna take off our thing. You wanna just make sure that you have all of your letters. And you can clean this with alcohol if you want. And you're just gonna place it where you want it. And then you can take your scraper tool or just rub it with your fingers. And you're gonna start taking your transfer tape off, but like I like to like press down as I do it so that it creates pressure on my vinyl and allows it to stay stick. Because if not, you see, that comes off. And that's it. We're gonna do that to all of these bins. So I absolutely love how it turned out. I feel like it just makes my craft room look so much more organized and better and just put together. So let me know down below if this was informative for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, join my Patreon for only $2 a month. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to tell me what other videos you would like to see. Bye guys.